Hello everyone, my name is Sofia Cardoso. I'm a researcher at ESAD College of Art and Design and also ESAD IDEA, its research center. I'm going to present to you a project developed on the theme of inclusive communities, focusing on the role of universities as a catalyst for sustainable social participation networks in local communities. You have a QR code in the top corner of your screen if you want to find out more about the Azad projects and Azad IDEA investigations. Communities and networks constitute complex social-cultural ecosystems, herein participatory design and art practices. They assume a central role in fostering collaborative creativity and addressing collective challenges. The infusion of participatory design into these networks serves as a catalyst for social innovation, facilitating the active engagement of community members in co-creating their shared environments. So universal level students are positioned as key contributors to the convergence of art and design activism, enhancing the impact of interventions with a social political dimension. As active participants in civic engagement through art and design, these students become vital advocates for social justice, contributing substantially to community empowerment and the proactive determination of future trajectories. It was in this context that the Neighbor is Inclusive project was born. The genesis of this project exemplifies the synergy between participatory design, art practices, and social design. Initiated by Azad College of Art and Design, the project seeks to contribute to societal betterment through design and architecture. It also emphasizes the positive transformation of local cities like Cruz de Pau, a urban space through activity community participation. The project was financed under the Healthy Neighborhoods Program, a governmental participatory program aiming to improve the quality of life in vulnerable territories. Cruz de Pau, a neighborhood in the municipality of Matosinhos, in Portugal, formed by several housing projects with different demographic profiles and economic and social needs, was the project's ideal intervention territory type. And in this context, the project aimed to bring together the inhabitants of Cruz de Pau, mainly seniors, the 8th grade students of the Basic School of Matosinhos, a local community school, and the students of the Interior Design Master's Program at ESAD. The collaboration with a wide array of stakeholders facilitates the engagement of three different generations: seniors, young people, and teenagers, in workshops and participatory activities. The main objective of this project was using art and creativity as instruments of social and urban regeneration, activating a process of participation and identification between the inhabitants and the surrounding space. The goal was mainly to bring together these three generations through a set of actions that explore creativity, imagination, and the technique of self-build, thus nurturing an environmental sustainability. Therefore, proving that a community united in favor of a common goal has an effective power in transformation of its own reality. Workshops, community forums, and interactive design sections ensure that residents actively contribute to shaping their living environment. Design solutions are then tailored to create spaces and activities that promote accessibility, inclusivity, and well-being for all. This project included, among other activities, a series of participatory workshops aiming at fostering community engagement, creative expression, and sustainable practices within the urban context. The workshops span diverse artistic and design disciplines, each contributing to a positive transformation of the public spaces and the cultivation of individual and collective creativity, from self-building initiatives to experimental art exploration, typography, skateboarding design, photography, and regenerative architecture. These workshops showcase a multifaceted approach to community-driven urban development. The project ensured the commitment from local and governmental institutions. A partnership with them was carried out, such as Matosinhos Habits, the entity responsible for managing the house projects of the municipality of Matosinhos, the local health unit of Matosinhos, the basic school of the local community, the workers' association of the residents of Cruz de Pau, and also the Center for the Encouragement and Sharing. By embracing inclusivity, cultural diversity, and environmental consciousness, this project stands as a model to community-driven development, inspiring other neighbors to embark on similar journeys towards a more harmonious and sustainable tomorrow. This project serves as a compelling illustration of how participatory design, art practices, and even social design can synergistically contribute to positive societal transformations. By actively involving diverse community members, the project showcases the effective transformative power of a united community in fostering participation, identification between inhabitants and their surroundings, and the overall betterment of urban spaces. Thankfully, it was a successful project. Thank you so much for your presence today.